A stuck or faulty furnace door switch can mimic thermostat or control board failures by preventing control voltage from reaching the terminal block, halting operation despite correct thermostat calls. A furnace door switch is a safety interlock, usually a small mechanical switch or magnetic sensor mounted on the access panel that completes the control circuit when the panel is properly seated. When it fails, or the panel is not fully closed, the switch opens and the control board receives no voltage on its low voltage terminals. Start troubleshooting by turning off power and visually inspecting the switch and its wiring for corrosion, bent actuators, or loose connectors. Then measure continuity across the switch with a multimeter while toggling the panel to confirm operation. If there is no continuity when the panel is closed, replace the switch with an identical rated component, ensuring the replacement matches the original's voltage and amperage ratings and mounting style. For intermittent faults, wiggle test the wiring harness and exercise the panel multiple times while monitoring the low voltage feed to the control board to catch marginal connections. When the switch tests good but the furnace still behaves as if the thermostat or board is at fault, verify the presence of 24-volt control power at the transformer secondary and at the terminal block, tracing upstream from the board to the transformer to isolate where voltage is lost. Always observe lockout and anti-short procedures. Disconnect power before replacing components. Secure low voltage connections with proper spade or screw terminals, and recheck system operation with power restored and the panel properly latched. The three most common mistakes are assuming thermostat or control board failure without checking safety interlocks, misdiagnosing intermittent faults as solid-state board failures, and replacing parts with incorrect specifications. Solution 1. Always include door switch continuity and proper panel seating in the initial diagnosis checklist before condemning the board or thermostat. Solution 2. For intermittent symptoms, perform repeated mechanical actuation and live voltage measurements, rather than a single static test to reveal marginal switches or wiring that only fail under movement. Solution 3. When replacing components, confirm identical electrical ratings and physical actuation type, and document part numbers and wiring locations to prevent mismatched installations that can cause further damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides contractor profiles, reviews, and project matching tools tailored to heating and furnace work. Contractors gain exposure to motivated leads and can showcase certifications and testimonials to win appropriate service and replacement jobs.